4 ways to buy a used car. Which one is right for you? If you're in the market for replacing your car, buying used makes a lot of sense. But where should you buy a used car from? There are 4 main options, each with their advantages and drawbacks. Private sellers. Private car sales are a great way to pick up a bargain. With no dealership taking a cut, you can get a lot of car for your money if you're a savvy buyer. If you decide to buy privately, make sure you do a complete VIN check, get a pre-purchase inspection, and ask for any service records before parting with any money. Dealerships. Buying a used car from a reputable used car dealership can be one of the safest ways of buying a reliable vehicle for a sensible price. Buying from a dealer also gives you more legal protection than with a private seller. So if you keep your wits and don't fall for high-pressure sales tactics, you can walk away with a great deal. Car auctions. Used car auctions are one of the most popular ways of picking up a bargain, but you need to know what you're doing. The vehicles featured in an auction could be repos, seizures, or salvage vehicles. If you know your way around a car and can spot a great car for a low price, you can get a vehicle for pennies on the dollar. Import cars. Lastly, it can be cost-effective to buy a car from overseas. Imported used vehicles could be much less expensive than the same model sold on the local market. The biggest difficulty is that you need to make sure the vehicle meets all your local safety regulations and you have all your import documents in order. Wherever you buy them from, used cars offer amazing bargains but also entail some risks. If you think carefully before buying and take your level of knowledge into account, each of these 4 options can make it easy to find your next used car. If you found this video content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share.